Hello everybody, my name is Amber Daniels and this is my neighborhood presentation. The presentation that I am depicting is the West Oak Lane section of Philadelphia. West Oak Lane is located in Philadelphia, PA. On the map that I have depicted here, West Oak Lane is a part of Oak Lane. Oak Lane is broken up into two parts, East Oak Lane and West Oak Lane. Where exactly is my community? West Oak Lane is located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The map to the left depicts the street map of my neighborhood. It is located in the northwestern section of Philadelphia. It's an urban community. In 2016, the population was estimated at 34,292. Who are we? The median age group is 36. The median household income is $41,323. 26% of the residents are married. 25% are single mother households. 17,005 males, and there are 23,168 females. The racial breakdown. In West Oak Lane, there are 29,870 blacks. There are 913 whites, 106 American Indians, 76 Asians, 4 Native American, Native Hawaiian or Pacific Islanders, 23 of another race, 550 people who identify as two or more races, and 731 Hispanic or Latino. This depicts the education levels. It depicts West Oak Lane versus Philadelphia County. Home values. The median home value in West Oak Lane is $127,939. The median value that you will pay for rent is $1,047. 28% of the people rent their homes, and 78% of people in West Oak Lane own their homes. Crime. In West Oak Lane, the highest rate of crime is assaults, with 177 in West Oak Lane. There are currently 9 murders, 0 rapes, and 101 robberies. Our important institutions. The Philadelphia National Cemetery. It houses many military soldiers and is a historic site on the National Registry. Ogatz Hall is one of the oldest buildings in my community. It's a mixed-use building and is registered as a historic site. Currently, it houses businesses and has apartments. These are our 2 political offices. Our U.S. representative is Dwight Evans. Our state representative is Isabella Fitzgerald. West Oak Lane and Philadelphia County is predominantly a Democratic city. Schools. In West Oak Lane, we serve the school district of Philadelphia. We have the West Oak Lane Charter School, Rowan Elementary School, Pennypacker Elementary School, and Wagner Middle School. Wagner Middle School currently is the only public middle school in my community. In that school right now, they have lots of fights. It's overcrowded. It's low funding. The high school in West Oak Lane is King High School, and we have one Catholic school, St. Athanasius Immaculate Conception School. In West Oak Lane, we have what was called the West Oak Lane Jazz Festival. This was a jazz festival that was 3 days long, and it would be full of arts, crafts, music, and food. Unfortunately, it has been shut down for an unknown reason. Rumor in our community is that it was shut down because it was plagued with crime and many acts of burglary and vandalism during the time of the West Oak Lane Festival. Bringing the community together. So these 3 pictures that I have depicted are the Simons Community Recreation Center. This is the recreation center in my community that has different programs for families, children. They have after school. They house dance. We also have Concerned Black Men, which is a nonprofit organization that works on bettering the community. I also have depicted the West Oak Lane Senior Center, which is a place where many seniors can go for resources. Do I live in a good community? Is the community safe? As I stated before, West Oak Lane does have its share of crime, but it also has its share of good services such as the neighborhood wash. The community is pretty much a tight-knit community, and we do look out for each other. I haven't seen much in natural disasters in Philadelphia. Philadelphia doesn't get many natural disasters. We do get a lot of rain, sometimes flooding, sometimes we get tornadoes, but nothing that's been detrimental. In our community, we do block parties. We have different games, different institutions where we get together, such as the night market, which you can come and showcase your different foods from different communities, different festivals. I believe in our community we do have some fighting. There is some forms of racism and segregation amongst the people who are of other races, as though blacks are predominantly in the community, so sometimes I feel as though we don't have many resources for people of other races. There is opportunities for growth. There are several businesses, but our community is plagued with many fast food restaurants, stores, places to shop. There's also a supermarket that is not too far that they just currently rebuilt. They have different goods. You can buy food, you can buy supplies, clothing, which is within walking distance. The conflicts between neighbors are usual things such as parking situations and children vandalizing property. I feel as though our community is a normal community. We have our normal share of problems. I feel as though we could improve on our crime. We have a lot of crime. Since I've been in this neighborhood for the past 2 years, there have been 2 shootings. And it's a lot of shootings and trash, and I feel as though as a neighborhood we could band together to clean up our neighborhoods. So these are my references. And I thank you for viewing my presentation. I had a lot of fun creating this presentation, and I hope you enjoy.